preparation for the preparation of the colloidal solution. If you remember, in this class we discussed before going to in detail. If you remember, I said in the start that there are two type of methods. One is called dispersion method. The second one is called the condensation method. Condensation methods include reduction. Already we have discussed this one. If you remember, condensation method in which the particle present in the true solution are allowed to grow in size. They are allowed to grow size to the size of the colloidal solution. So while in the dispersion method, if you remember, I said in which the bigger particle are broken to the particle of the colloidal solution in diameter. So there are two main methods. One is called condensation method, and with the small molecule get together. While in dispersion, the larger molecule are broken into small particles. Okay, so condensation method we have discussed, reduction method, oxidation method, hydrolysis method, and double decomposition method, and exchange of solvent method. Already we have discussed in detail in the previous class. Today we will discuss the dispersion method. In the dispersion method, the larger molecules are broken. So just think that the larger molecules are broken. So the first method is mechanical disintegration. Disintegration means breaking. So the first method in the dispersion is mechanical method. In this method, the particle of a substance are disintegrated into colloidal size by collide mill, just like a floor mill. आप चक्की जानते हैं? चक्की?
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Sir.
चक्की जानते हैं कि नहीं? चक्की
Yes, sir.
तो उसमें गंदम को मतलब इसमें the wheat particle or the wheat seed are broken are made to flour. This is called mechanical disintegration. So what is happen in the dispersion mechanical disintegration? The colloidal solution, yeah, the suspended the particle, the solution, not the true solution, but the suspended suspension is passed through colloidal mill where the particles are disintegrated, are made small in size, so we get the colloidal solution. So in this method, the particle of a substance are disintegrated into colloidal size by using colloidal mill. Special type of mill are used. Now, step number one, the substance is first grounded to coarse particle. For example, we want to prepare a colloidal solution. So first we make a particle, just like a floor mill you can see. So the particle and the substance is made to coarse particle. I mean the suspension is made. It is then mixed with the dispersion medium to get a suspension. So then it is dispersed, or then it is dispersed in some medium to make a suspension. The suspension is then passes through the colloidal mill. Just like what happened, it consists of two metallic discs nearly touching each other. Just like you can see, there are two discs made of stone in the floor mill. आप अगर चक्की में देखें तो उसमें दो 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 वो होते हैं पहिए, लाइक जस्ट लाइक पहिए होते हैं, व्हील्स होते हैं, और वो स्टोन के बने होते हैं। और अगर आप देखें तो वो बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के साथ टच कर रहे होते हैं। तो जब हम उसमें सीड डालते हैं तो दे आर क्रश्ड. So what we do, the same is, it consists of two metallic discs nearly touching each other and rotating in opposite direction. अगर उसको देखें तो वो भी रोटेट होते हैं at a very high speed, about 7,000 rpm. So the space between the disc of the mile is so adjusted that the core suspension is subjected to great scattering force, giving rise to a particle of colloid size. Colloidal solution of black ink. ये colloidal solution of black ink, paints, varnishes, dyes, etc. are obtained by this method. जो हम पेंट बनाते हैं सस्पेंशन, our ink, black inks, our varnishes, all these are prepared by using the colloidal mill or colloidal melt. So what is just like that? You can see, yeah, if you look at, so one is the upper disc and the second one is the lower disc, metal disc. So what we do, suspension is drop or is poured from the top, while you can see there is rotating belt. So what we do, we get the sole at the two end. You can see discharge and discharge. These are the end from where we can get the sole. So this is and this method, mechanical method, two wheels or metal disc are used to convert the suspension to suspended particles or the largest particles to the colloidal solution, to the colloidal size. So this is a mechanical method. You can see some machine is used to make the particle size small is compared from suspended particle to the colloidal particle size. This clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it
You
is
can see
perfectly
that.
clear.
Okay. So second one is peptization methods. What is peptization? So the process of dispersing a precipitate of a substance into colloidal solution by adding small amount of an electrolyte is called peptization. If we have a collider, if we have precipitate and we put some electrolyte in it, so the size of the particle will automatically change into colloidal. So this method is called peptization reaction. So this is the process of converting a freshly prepared precipitate into colloidal form by addition of suitable electrolyte is called peptization. You can define by this way, also by this way also. Now what we do, cause of peptization is the absorption of the ions of the electrolyte by the particle of the precipitate. We have the precipitate which have a larger size. For example, FeOH, there is example you can see. FeOH taken 3. This is a precipitate. If we put electrolyte of iron Fe plus 3, so automatically you will get a sol just like FeOH taken 3, Fe plus 3 plus Cl negative. So this is what I say, the particle, what happened, the particle, the peptization is occur because absorption of the ions of the electrolyte takes place on the surface of the particles present in the precipitate. This is FeOH. FeOH, iron hydroxide. This is a gel-like, sol-like. You can see the particle is a milky-like solution. So this, when we put iron, so what happened? The particle are converted, the particle size is reduced to sol. So this is called the peptization. The electrolyte used for this purpose is called peptizing agent or stabilizing agent. Important peptization agents are sugar, gum, gelatin, and electrolytes. So this is the example, iron hydroxide. If we put iron from its FeCl3, so you can see Fe plus 3, so Cl is there, I wrote already. So what happened, the particle, iron particle are absorbed on the surface of the FeOH particle, so they are converted into sol. So after that, so the largest particle, the suspension is converted into sol particle. This clear or not?
सर
Clear है, sir.
प्लीज सर ये
Yes, sir.
दोबारा से रिपीट कर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड
In the peptization, what happens if we have a precipitate, for example, FeOH taken 3, we have a precipitate, the particle size will be larger in the case of precipitate. So if you want to make colloidal of this solution, of this one, this suspension, what we will do, we will add small amount of electrolyte into it. So they will be, the particle size will be automatically reduced. So what happened? Cause of peptization is the absorption of the ions of the electrolyte by the particles of precipitate. What happened during this process, if you add an electrolyte, so the precipitate particle, the electrolyte particle, the electrolyte ion deposit or absorb on the surface of the particle of the precipitate. For example, this you can see FeOH taken 3, if we add FeCl3, so automatically FeCl3 will, what will happen? FeCl3 will be dissociated into its ion, Fe plus 3, Cl negative. This clear or not? FeCl3. So this will dissociate, it will produce Fe plus 3 and Cl negative. So FeOH is a precipitate. If we put FeCl3, so it will dissociate, it will produce Fe plus 3. So this what happened, this iron ion will absorb on the surface of FeOH precipitate. You can see in the other side FeOH taken 3 dot Fe plus 3. It means the ion has been absorbed on the particle of the precipitate. You can see I have already wrote Sol plus Cl negative, automatically ion will produce. This clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear है सर.
Yes,
सर
sir,
वो GR
clear.
कह रही है कि मुझे allow कर.
Okay. Now next, this is the second method which is used for the in the dispersion. This is the second dispersion method. Third one is Bragg arc method. This is the third method. What happened in this method? We have a solution. You can see this is, you can, if you, oh my god, you can see we have, when metal whose soul is to be repaired is made as two electrode which emerge in dispersion medium such as water. For example, if you want to make a colloidal solution of some metal, so for example gold, silver, copper, so first we will make two electrode of it. You can see this is one electrode, this is another electrode, metal electrode. You can see already in the diagram is shown. So if the metal whose colloidal solution we want to prepare, so first we have to make them as electrode, and we have to immerse in dispersion medium such as water. You can see this is the water, and we have already, you can see they have immersed two electrode of platinum or gold, whatever it is. The dispersion medium is kept cooled by ice. You can see ice is there. We have to put the polysimide in ice. When now an electric arc is struck between the electrode. Now electric arc is passed through it. It means electric arc is passed through it. So what happened? The dissolution of the metal from the electrode will happen. So that you can see tremendous heat generated by the arc will give colloidal solution. When heat is generated, automatically the electrode, some of the metal ion will leach out into the water. So colloidal solution will form. The colloidal solution prepared is stabilized by adding a small amount of KOH into it. You are getting a that? Means in this method, what happened? For example, we want to prepare a soul of any metal such as platinum, silver, copper, or gold. So we have to make them as electrode, and we have to immerse them in water and in the dispersion medium. Then we have to pass electric current through it. When we pass electric arc, so heat will be produced. As a result of heat, the metal will dissociate, the metal ions will come into the solution up from the electrode. So colloidal solution will prepare. So this is stabilized by adding small amount of KOH. This clear or not? Very easy.
जी सर.
Means when we pass electric current, heat will be produced. When heat is produced, the electrode will get heated, so they will get evaporated, and means they will leach out from the surface of the electrode, and they will come out into the water. So for example, this is the atom, iron, or molecule, whatever it is. For example, they will leach out into the water, and the colloidal solution will be formed. So this is another method which is called the Bragg arc method, or simply we call it the arc method also. Okay.
Sir,
Why about you?
sir, the dispersion medium only cool to ice one.
Think about you, so why?
Sir, why we kept this dispersion medium cool?
अगर हम उसको कूल नहीं करेंगे तो टेम्परेचर वो तो कैसे, फॉर एग्जांपल हीट इज प्रोड्यूस, द मेटल विल लीच आउट, so it will for example, so we have to, we want to take them, for example it will get into the water, so water will become if you don't want keep the water cool, so it will be evaporated, so we want to keep the water cool. अगर अगर हम पानी को ठंडा ना रखें तो क्या होगा, टेम्परेचर मतलब इतना हाई हो जाएगा तो वो तो एवापोरेट हो जाएगा, तो फिर आपका कोलाइडल सोल्यूशन नहीं बनेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
मतलब उसको कूल करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू कैच द मेटल आयंस, in order to make the colloidal solution, अगर water इतना मतलब when we pass the electric current to it, so automatically the temperature, if metal emits, I mean evaporates from the surface of the electrode, you think what will be the temperature? If you don't use ice, so water will get heated and will be evaporated, so you will be left with no water. If you are left with no water, so how you will get the colloidal solution? So in order to get the colloidal solution, we have to keep the water cool.
यस सर, सही है सर. सर स्टूडेंट्स मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि हमें अलाउ करें सर.
मैं उनको कह दें कि अभी अलाउ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, हम तो खत्म कर चुके हैं.
ओके सर, सही है.
हाँ, उनको कह दे कि थोड़ा सा अर्ली हो, ये तो इसमें कोई इक्वेशन वगैरह नहीं है, ये तो सिंपल वो मेथड्स है. तो एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा, एनी
सर ये जो डिस्पर्शन मीडियम सच एज वाटर हम लेते हैं, तो फिर ये प्लेटिनम या सिल्क कॉपर जो भी है ये वाटर में किस तरह डिस्पर्स होगा?
ये फॉर एग्जांपल आई सेड व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिक, जस्ट लिसन टू मी, when we uh, uh, when electric current is passed between the two electrodes, heat will be generated. The as a result of the heat, the metal from the surface of the electrode will automatically released. किसी चीज को
Okay.
गर्म करे तो क्या होगा, तो उसको मेल्ट होगा कि नहीं होगा?
सर वो तो मेल्ट होगा, लेकिन फिर यहाँ पे जो ये
मतलब
आइस
ये
पड़ा,
आपको देखिए देखिए ये टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स है, आपने उसको वाटर में रखा हुआ है, तो जब ये मेल्ट होगा, एवापोरेट होगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल गेट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. तो अब इसको वाटर को हमने कूल करने के लिए उसको आइस बात रखा हुआ है कि उसको टेम्परेचर को फौरन कंट्रोल करे.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
ठीक है बेटा, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, ये तो मतलब ये जिस साइंटिस्ट ने लिखा हुआ है जो मेथड, ये all of these method are, for example I said this one method, this one peptidization method is used and gelatin is used in the varnish, and also what and the dark, what else it is used, I told you, paint, varnishes and etc. They are, these methods are used. You can see this one, Raza Basu, this you can see the mechanical method is used, and the black ink, pens, varnishes, dyes, etc. तो already ये method apply हो रहे हैं, तो ये तो उन्होंने already इस पे काम किया हुआ है. The meeting of the people will be held on Thursday, 28 April, Sabah, 28. Session. Any question? Hello?
नो सर. अटेंडेंस वालू सर.
Oh, attendance वाले बच्चों बस.
हाँ जी सर. وامغ سر
اوكي بچي
Students.
اوكي ثانك يو
students keep كويس سيدة